Good morning, everyone. Today's Thursday. I'm going to do a snow cone pour with the paint that's remaining. So here's the snow cone. It's a paper snow cone. Happy birthday to anyone that has a birthday today, and happy birthday to everyone on other days. Alright, I really don't have it planned out too well what I'm doing, but I thought I would do a quick pour with the remaining paint. And there's the white over the edge. Let me just go check my text message real quick. Alright, it's a text message from my husband's nurse saying that he's coming around tomorrow, which actually would work out better for me. My husband is here with me. We watch a lot of YouTube. We've been watching about mouse traps lately, and then maybe a sawmill. It's really relaxing to watch big logs getting cut, and he also has watched a lot of acrylic pouring, so we come up with a lot of ideas. He and I are both air signs, so we talk a lot. He is bedridden with ALS. You can see some of my other videos, and together we think of new techniques and different devices to use, and he knows quite a bit about acrylic pouring. So today I'm going to do a snow cone pour. I'm going to put some white in here in the bottom. Actually, I need, I have some of this glitter paint from Deco Art. Let me see where to, I'm going to have to take the lid off. Hold on one second, sorry. I'm going to put some of the glitter paint in the bottom. All of this is glitter paint, except that this brand is Craft Smart. And what I did, I keep them upside down, and that way the paint can mix and come from the bottom. Some pink, more white. How about some purple? How about some yellow? Trying to keep this in view for you. I'm going to put yellow on the other side. The yellow looks a little thick, and I'll do some green over here, maybe away from the purple. The blue was overpowering on the last video. If you look at the birthday cake, the cake pour I did, let's get some more white. Just pour all that in. I believe this is 8 by 10 canvas. Let's see, we got the white. How about some more pink? Just in the top there. And actually, I think I want to put a little bit of silicone. This is the one that came in the kit with the Deco Art pouring medium, which is here. I love Deco Art pouring medium. I've only used a few, but I like that one. It's real creamy. And I use Golden Airbrush medium also. It's a little bit thinner. And then sometimes I use, I'll show you this one, the fake Floetrol, I call it. It's really good. I like it a lot, but it did get mixed by my fault by putting some acrylic turquoise, got splashed in. So now it's somewhat of a turquoise color. Alright, I think I need to add maybe some gray over there, and I need one more color. I think I'm going to do some more yellow. Maybe there. Sorry if it's out of focus. And I do keep a wet paper towel handy. It's on the roll, and I just wet it or spray it. Always keep a spray bottle handy. You want to spray your snow cones. I wrote love on there to make the water happy. Alright, so I think I have enough paint. I'm going to leave a link to Rick Cheadle. I watch him. He's one of the first acrylic pourers I watched. And he has a list of ounces per canvas. I think this is probably about 4 to 6 ounces. Alright, so we're ready. Actually, no, we're not. Let me do one more thing. I'm sorry. I'm going to put my snow cone in the holder. I'm just going to pour some more white. Just like that. And I think this is not level. So tomorrow I'm going to clean up all my marble table here and get all the paint off. But anyway, let's do this. Here's the snow cone. I hope you can see it. I'm going to lift it up and cut off the bottom. Whoop, there we go. How pretty. Look at that. Oh, where's the end? Here's the part that I cut off. I'll just put this in the middle. I think what I'm going to do is, you know, I like these spoon straws. How cool are they? I'm just going to take and push some of the paint out. And that's it. See the snow cone? I used 2 layers. Okay, great. All right, so I'm going to look at it, see how I want to tilt it. And I have under here, see the push pins. Just kind of tilting it. I want to go back to the middle, look at it, tilt it. Some came off, that's fine. Go this way, back to the middle. This is all glitter paint. I just put it down a minute. I need to reposition because my back, I'm bending over the table because I have the marble closer to the camera. And again, I'm looking, what do I want to pour off? There's a lot of green here. Let's get, maybe, I don't even know really what I want, but this is just to use some of the paint. Do you want to keep some of that red? So let's just take off. I know I'm not really there. I want to put it toward the camera a little bit, but let's go this way. This is a lot of paint on here, I think. Some of it was a little bit thicker. Let's go down this way. All right, so thinking what I might do is push. I leveled this a little bit because the push pins. All right, so I'm going to just wipe my hands off a minute. I want to turn this. So then I want to go the other way. Here, you can look at it that way. I'm going to torch it. Let me just wipe off my hands again. Not sure if I like it quite yet. think I want to take some of that green off a little bit. But then, here, I'm stretching out the red. So let's do, I want to get that blue a little bit, maybe. Awful lot of red, pinkish. And this is fine to get like a lacing. Okay, so I have an idea. Let's just leave it like that a second. Let me wipe off my hands. I'm going to pick up my hair dryer. I'm going to try something. I just thought of it. Okay. So this is the hair dryer I saw. It's really a small one from Miriam's Nature. I wrapped it in press and seal so I won't get the paint all over it. And I'm going to, let's see, I have to plug it in. Just 1 second. Alright, so I'm going to try, let me turn it on, you might hear the noise, sorry. There we go. Not really moving it. It's more like a, alright, it's more like a heat gun. It's really not real powerful, but it'd probably be better for alcohol inks. Let me just get my torch again. I'm going to use this as the hair tool that I use. I don't like all this here so much. Let's see, wipe it off. Get some of this red come out. That's a little better. I just think it's so much. Let me see if I can pick some up. Put it, wipe it off. And a little bit more and then we're going to be done. And believe it or not, I'm just going to put a little drop, just a dot. There we go. Just to give some more green there. And I'm going to pick it up. Now I'm going to pour. See how it moves? And I think I'm going to get rid of, hold on 1 second. Just going to put more white here. And a little bit more pink again. I think I made this a mess, so here we go. There we go. I just don't like that either. See, you start messing with it and what happens? I'm going to pour most of that off and just get a little bit of a, and I'm about finished here. Yeah, that's actually better because I wanted a little bit more pink, and I'm just going to take my, of course, my hair tool, right? And let me just turn this.